Realme has officially launched the new Narzo 80 Lite 5 grams. It seems like every week Realme announces a new device, so let's check out this option under the Narzo sub-brand. Regarding its design, even with a large battery, it keeps a slim profile at 7.9% 4mm and weighs 197 grams, which is impressive. In the past, a phone with a big battery usually meant a bulky phone. Quite clunky and really heavy, but in this particular case, even though it is slim and light, it actually poses a construction resistant to dust and water, rated IP64. So it's just splash resistant and provides military-grade durability. Theoretically, it's capable of withstanding extreme climates, enduring some drops, and handling these kinds of challenging features and conditions. Additionally, it includes the Rainwater Smart Touch feature, allowing the screen to still respond to your finger touches even when your fingers are wet. It will be available in two colors, crystal purple and onyx black. The screen is a 6.67-inch LCD panel, equipped with HD resolution. Plus of 1604 at 720 pixels. Despite having a low resolution, it supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a touch sampling rate of up to 180 Hz with a maximum brightness of 625 nits. It is very clear that this is a basic feature device. For cameras, it comes with a front camera for selfies of 8 megapixels and on the back only a sensor with 32 megapixels, and while it appears to have additional cameras, those are mainly for decoration and marketing purposes. The main attraction is undoubtedly, it has the battery. 6,000 milliamp hour, promising many hours of use on a single charge, although it supports 15% watt charging through this USB-C port, so it's going to be a bit of a process when to charge this big battery with this little power. As for the software, it comes preloaded with realme UI 6.0 based on Android 15 and for performance, we will find the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, which also arrives accompanied by 4 or 6 gigabytes of RAM with 64 or 120. 8 gigabytes of internal storage, plus users can use virtual RAM memory with another 12 gigabytes that I do not recommend it, but there is available the option. And as for connectivity, it supports dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and it also includes FM radio. Finally, let's discuss its price. This device has been launched in India, starting at 9,999 rupees, roughly $115. But the member price is here. The official announcements differ from those over there. Additionally, it's important to note that Realme appears to be gradually limiting the Narzo series to a few regions, because in the past they were distributed more widely. However, it is quite unlikely that we will see this Narzo series available in Mexico and other Latin American countries. We will have to wait patiently for any official announcements to confirm this.